Every sunrise paints my village with golden hope, while the gentle hills whisper stories carried by the wind. Here, life flows peacefully between green forests, singing birds, and smiling faces. At the heart of this beautiful land stands the ancient Manakamana Temple, a sacred place where faith has lived for generations. Every stone tells a story, every prayer carries a dream, and every bell echoes through the mountains like a song from heaven. People travel from far away with hope in their hearts, believing that sincere prayers can become reality. The peaceful breeze, colorful flowers, and majestic hills create a feeling that words can barely describe. This is more than a village, it is a living poem. It teaches us to stay humble, respect nature, and treasure our traditions. Here, happiness is found in simple moments, warm smiles, and the blessings of the divine. My village is not just my home, it is my soul. And the ancient Manakamana Temple is its beating heart, reminding us that faith, love, and hope never grow old.
High on a peaceful hill in Nepal stands the sacred Mankamna Temple, a place where millions of people come with faith, hope and heartfelt wishes. The name Mankamna comes from two Sanskrit words, Mana meaning heart or mind and Kamna meaning wish. Together, Mankamna means the goddess who grants the wishes of the heart. According to a famous legend, many centuries ago, the queen of King Ram Shah possessed a divine power. Only her spiritual guide, Lakhan Thapa, knew her secret. After the king passed away, the queen also disappeared mysteriously. Later, the goddess appeared in the form of a sacred stone at the place where the temple now stands. Lakhan Thapa discovered this miracle and began worshipping the goddess. Since then, people have believed that sincere prayers offered at Mankamna are heard and blessed. Generations of devotees have climbed the hills or traveled by cable car to reach this holy temple. Some pray for good health, others for success in education, marriage, children, peace, or prosperity. Many visitors return to the temple to offer thanks after their wishes come true. Their stories of faith have been passed from one generation to another, making Mankamna one of Nepal's most beloved pilgrimage sites. The temple is surrounded by green forests, rolling hills, and breathtaking Himalayan scenery. The peaceful atmosphere fills every visitor with calmness and devotion. As the temple bells ring and prayers echo through the mountains, people feel a deep spiritual connection that goes beyond words. Whether or not every wish comes true exactly as expected, Mankamna teaches something even greater. Faith gives people hope, courage, and strength to keep moving forward. It reminds us that miracles often begin with belief, patience, and a pure heart. Today, pilgrims from Nepal and around the world continue to visit this sacred place. They come not only to ask for blessings, but also to experience the beauty, culture, and spiritual heritage of Nepal. The journey to Mankamna is more than a trip, it is a journey of faith. If you ever visit Nepal, take a moment to stand before the goddess of Mankamna. Close your eyes, offer your prayer with sincerity, and let your heart speak. Whether your wish is big or small, the experience of faith, peace, and devotion will remain with you forever. Mankamna is not just a temple, it is a symbol of hope, where countless hearts have found comfort, strength, and the courage to believe that dreams can come true.
கத்தி வேணும் நான் இதை வரும் மைய தவக்கால் திங்க
Esto no es un mini solo,
சொல்லவே சொல்ல
Esto es un mini solo.